Charlie, good morning. Heavy passing behind when clear, pushing out approved Delta Sierra.
When the heavy clear the way, pushes out approved Delta Sierra. Confirm Charlie, very good morning.
Ryanair 323 Quebec, unhooked in a request execute.
323 Quebec, taxi forward, hold short link 4.
Taxi forward to hold short link 4, Ryanair 323 Quebec.
182 Quebec, Papa, push out approved Delta Sierra.
Push out approved Delta Sierra, Ryanair 82 Quebec, Papa. Ryanair, confirm Charlie. The ground crew is telling us about company traffic on Delta November that is kind of blocking us. Is it true?
Well, if they're on Delta November, they should be well clear of your push Delta Sierra.
That's that, perfect, thank you.
323 Quebec, 1 2 on that, 185.
And 1 Ryanair 323 Quebec, thanks, bye-bye.
Ryanair, confirm Charlie, 119. We had a problem with the tower, so we need to cancel the push and stay here a little longer.
Roger, sorry to hear, push cancelled. You've got 2 minutes reference to slot after that. It might not look good.
Okay, we will be quick then. Ryanair 82 Quebec, Papa, is ready for taxi.
92 Quebec, Papa, taxi Fox Dinner, hold short link 5.
Hold taxi Fox Dinner, holding short link 5, Ryanair 82 Quebec, Papa. Ryanair, confirm Charlie, still at the 109 Lima, now we are ready to push and start again.
Papa Romeo, Charlie Roger, pushers start approved, release point Whiskey on Delta November.
Delta November, tag release Whiskey, Ryanair, confirm Charlie, thank you.
92 Quebec, Papa, 1 2 on that, 185.
1 2 on that, Ryanair 82 Quebec, Papa, thank you.
Ground Ryanair 54 Romeo, Charlie.
Last message.
There, I think we have to call the authorities here. There's a passenger that is trying to get inside the airplane. I think we have to call the security right now.
Roger. And so we're 2 got Lima taxi with it?
817 got Lima.
2 got Lima, Roger, taxi forward, hold short link 5.
Taxi forward, hold short link 5, 72 got Lima.
Run 54 Romeo, Charlie, the police is in contact there or on their way.
Yeah, they're already here actually, yeah.
Roger, let me know when you're happy to continue.
Ground Ryanair, 54 Romeo, Charlie. The situation has been dealt properly and yeah, we had the necessary police and we are, I guess we are able to resume.
Roger, continue push to Delta November.
Yeah, we will resume then Delta November,
no problem, and best speed you can to make it slot, please.